Hey everybody, Lucas Purden here from Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're going to do a walk around on a 2005 red Dodge Ram 1500 SLT. It's got the chrome grille on the front. On the side here it's got the 17-inch chromed wheels with tires with about 50-60% tire tread left on them. On the driver's side door here it's got the chrome Ram badge here. Let's go on to the inside. Inside is in pretty good shape. It does have the manual locks and windows. On the steering wheel it's got the cruise control. The dash, it has the aftermarket Sony head unit here. Here it's got the heating and air controls. It's got the fold down console. And behind the seats here you do have some extra storage to throw your things in. The back window is a sliding window. The body's in pretty good shape. It does have a little bit of surface rust starting to show through here. I don't know how well you can see it. Around back, it's already got the hitch down here ready to go for you. Spray in bed liner. Down the side the body, again, it's in pretty good shape. Paint's in pretty decent shape. Again, we have a 2005 Dodge Ram 1500 SLT, stock number CP15595AT. I'm Lucas Purden. Come see us at Paul Sherry here in Piqua, Ohio, or give us a call at 937-778-0830.